Hello students, my name is Professor Aryan Hazare, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, Sanjivani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Subject name is the Material Science and subject code is EE203. Is the topic, the introduction to material science. The first thing is the teaching scheme and examination scheme. The teaching scheme is 3 hours per week, so no tutorial and the 3 credits. Examination scheme the continuous assessment for the 20 marks, end-sem exam 30 marks, end semester exam 50 marks, and total 100 marks. The prerequisites course, the students should have knowledge of various classes of material like solid insulating material, liquid insulating material, and gaseous insulating material. The conducting, insulating, and respective along with basic characteristics. The course objectives. The first course objective is to classify different materials from electrical engineering points of view. Second, to understand various properties of characteristics of different classes of material. To select materials for application in various electrical equipments, and to impart knowledge of nanotechnology, battery and solar cell materials, and last to develop ability to test different classes of material as per international standards. Then course outcomes after successful completion of the course, students will be able to, these are 6 course outcomes. Is Bloom taxonomy, level and descriptor. The course outcome first, categorize and classify different material from electrical engineering applications point of view. The level Bloom taxonomy, 3 levels, and descriptor applying. Course outcome second, explain and summarize various properties and characteristics of different material. Is a level 2 level, and descriptor understanding, not applying. In course outcome third, choose material for application in various electrical equipments. The Bloom taxonomy level third, descriptor applying. Course outcome fourth, explain and describe knowledge of nanotechnology, battery and solar cell material. The course Bloom taxonomy level 2 is a descriptor understanding. Course outcome fifth, test different classes of materials as per international standards. Bloom taxonomy level 4th, there is a descriptor analyzing. Course outcome number 6, use of theoretical knowledge in practical field application. The level number 3, and descriptor level applying. The course contains unit number, total 6 units. The unit number first, the dielectric and optical properties of insulating material, the static field, parameters of dielectric material, in the parameters of dielectric material, the dielectric constant, dipole moment, polarization, polarizability, introduction to polar and non-polar dielectric materials, mechanism of polarization, electronic, ionic and orientation polarization, descriptive treatment only, no derivation here. Clausius-Moussorti equation, piezoelectric, pyroelectric and ferroelectric materials, dielectric loss and loss tangent, concept of negative tan delta, introduction to fiber optics, materials use and its applications. This is the unit number first. Then unit number first, in total 6 hours this course, 6 hours means 6 lectures, and this course outcome match in CO1. Okay. Then unit number 2, the insulating materials and dielectric breakdown is introduction, then characteristics of good insulating material, classification, solid insulating material, papers, pressboard, fiber materials, ceramic, mica, acetous, resins, amorphous material, polymers, ceramics, enamels and its applications. Then liquid insulating materials such as transformer oil, varnish, aspirol, insulating gases like air, SF6 and its application. Then introduction to concept of primary and secondary ionization of gases, descriptive treatment only, no derivation here again. Then breakdown voltage, breakdown strength, factors affecting breakdown strength of solid, liquid and gases dielectric materials. This is unit number second. The number of hours 6 hours and the course outcome match CO2. Then unit number 3, the magnetic material. In the magnetic material, the parameters of magnetic materials means permeability, magnetic susceptibility, magnetization, classification of magnetic material, diamagnetism, paramagnetism, ferromagnetism, ferrimagnetism, ferromagnetic behavior below critical temperature, spontaneous magnetization, Curie's law, then anti-ferromagnetic, then varieties, applications of ferromagnetic material, and magnetic materials for electric devices such as transformer core, core of rotating machines, soft magnetic materials, hard magnetic materials, magnetic recording materials, compact disc, and then introduction to laser and magnetic strip technology. This is again number of hours 6 hours this units and CO match CO3. Then unit number 4th, conducting materials. Conducting material, general properties of conductors, electrical conducting material, copper, aluminium and its application, materials of high low resistivity, constantan, nickel, chromium alloy, tungsten, canthal, silver and silver alloys. Then characteristics of copper alloys like brass and bronze. Then materials used for lamp filaments. Then transmission line, electrical carbon materials, material for super capacitors, then material used for solders, metals and alloys for different types of uses, in thermal, bimetal and thermocouple. Then last point is introduction to superconductivity and superconductors. Then again number of hours is 6 hours for unit number 4 and course outcome match CO4. Then unit number 5, the nanotechnology and batteries. Then introduction of nanotechnology and batteries. Then concept of energy band and various conducting material mechanisms in nanostructures, carbon nanostructure, carbon molecules, carbon cluster, carbon nanotubes and its applications. Then special topics in nanotechnology such as single electron transistor, molecular machines, the BN nanotubes, nanowires, materials used for batteries like lead acid, lithium ion, sodium sulfur, is the nickel cadmium. Again zebra means Z means zero emission, E means emission, B means battery, R means research and I means activity. The short form is a zebra battery. Then batteries used in electric vehicle, EV vehicle and electric hybrid vehicle is EHV. Then again number of hours 6 hour, course outcome match CO5. And last unit is unit number 6, testing of materials. Then is the totally this unit number 6 is the experiment related units, the practical related. The explanation of following with objectives, equipments required, circuit diagram and observations to be taken. Then first point is measurement of dielectric loss tangent, means tan delta by Shearing bridge, the international standard 13585 to 1994. Then second, measurement of dielectric strength of solid insulating material, IS standard, the 2584. Then third number, measurement of dielectric strength of liquid insulating material, IS standard. Then 6798, then measurement of dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material as per international standard. Then measurement of flux density by Gauss meter. Then the text book and reference books, refer here. Charles, first book Charles P. Paul, J.R. Frank and J. Owens, the introduction of to nanotechnology, Willie Student edition. For the use this book only, introduction to nanotechnology. Then next, electrical engineering material, TTI Madras, is a very best book in material science. Then third, again is the very best book, K.B. Raina and S.K. Bhattacharya, is electrical engineering material for S.K. Kataria and Sons publication. Then P.K. Planismy, the material science of electrical engineering, the science technology publication, the India Private Limited, Chennai. Then SP Set is a very important this book, the SP Set, very best book, AC A. Corsin electrical engineering material, Dhanpat Rai and Son publications. Then Ronald M. Dylan David, the AJ Strand, Understanding Batteries, the battery is all batteries covered. This book, Royal Society of Chemistry, the 2001 publication. Then James F. Shackford and M.K. Muradi Dara, Introduction to Material Science for Engineering. This is the 6th edition by Pearson Education. The textbooks and reference books, the DM Tagore Electrical Power, Capacitor Design and Manufacture, is a Tata McGraw-Hill publication. Then second book, SP Kalotra and B.K. Bhatt, the Electrical Engineering Materials, is a Khanna publication, is a Nath Market. Then CS Indulkar and Indulkar and Thiruvindam for Electrical Engineering Material, S. Chan and Company Private Limited. Then fourth number is Kamaraju and Naidu, is a High Voltage Engineering, Tata McGraw-Hill publication. Then Insulation Technology Course Material of IEEMA, Ratnair, is a Pearson public edition. Then Thragood Fincher, the Material Science of Engineering Students, Eliezer publication. Then Rakesh Das Bigmudre, the Engineering Conversion System, the New Age International Publications. This is the reference books. Okay. Then next is the thank you very much, students.